Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to do question number 8 in this video. Let's see. Puneet, Pankaj and Pami are partners in a business sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1 respectively. Their balance sheet as on March 31, 2017 was as follows. Okay, creditors, capitals are given, reserve is also there. Cash at bank, stock, sundry debtors, investment, furniture and building. Mr. Pami died on which day? Mr. Pami died on 30th September, okay, after 6 months. The partnership deed provided the following. The deceased partner, so this balance sheet is of 31st March and he died on 30th September. So obviously there has to be some difference. In our previous question, the balance sheet was also of that date, okay, on which the partner retired. That's why we did not do anything for P&L suspense. But in this question, we have to do, okay. The partnership deed provided the following. The deceased partner will be entitled to his share of profit up to the date of death, calculated on the basis of previous year's profit. He will be entitled to his share of goodwill of the firm, calculated on the basis of 3 years purchase of the average of last 4 years profit. The profit of last 4 years are 80, 50, 40 and 30. The drawings of the deceased partner up to the date of death amounted to rupees 10,000. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 12% per annum. Surviving partners agreed that rupees 15,400 should be paid to the executor immediately and the balance in 4 yearly installment with interest of 12% per annum on outstanding balance. Show Mr. Pami's capital. So only Mr. Pami's capital is asked, the other two partners' capital is not asked. His executor's account till the settlement of the amount due. Okay. There is no revaluation here. So just Mr. Pami's account and the executor account. Even the balance sheet is asked? No. So only Pami's capital account and executor's account. Yeah, this is 8th question. Just one partner's account is required, right? Okay, so what is his balance? Brought down by, did not write by. So, balance of Pami was 40,000. Okay, then we have to give his share of reserve. Okay, how much was his share? 1/5 and reserve is 50,000, so 10,000. Then goodwill. In goodwill what we have to do? Yeah. Okay, but before goodwill, his share. For 3 years purchase of last 4 years average profit. So 80, 50, 40, 30. Working note 1. Calculation of Pami's share of profit. Okay. So, how to calculate that? previous year profit is given, multiply by proportionate period, multiply by per share, that is 30,000 was last year's profit, yes, or 40, I believe 30. Last year's profit, yeah, it is 30,000, okay. Multiply by 6 by 12, why? Because he was there as the partner till September, multiply by his share. So how much we get? 1 upon 2, 5 into 10, 3,000. 3,000 is Pami's share, okay. So by P&L suspense, okay. You remember we write P&L suspense because it's still not decided that 30,000 will be the final profit for the entire year. It might change, obviously. Then his share of goodwill. For that, first of all, next thing that we need is working note 2. Pami's share of goodwill. So average profit method, yes. So average profit 80 plus 50, 40, 30. Divided by 4, multiply by 3 years of purchase. So 80 and 50, 130, 170, 2 lakh by 4, 50. So 50,000 into 3, 1,50,000 is the total goodwill. Now this is the total goodwill. What is Pami's share in it? $30,000 is Pami's share. Now who will give this 30,000? Let's see whether the new ratio is given or not. Okay, surviving partners, greater executor and balance show that. Okay, nowhere it is written, so Pami gone to, so it should be equal now. So 15 and 15. So both will give 15 and 15 to Pami. So who was the first one? Puneet and Pankaj. Yeah. So they both gave 15 and 15 to Pami. Anything else? Yeah, there was drawing also, right? And interest on capital? Yes. Now, interest on capital at the rate of 12% and his capital was, how much was? 40. Some. But only for 6 months. $2,400. And drawings, but there was no interest on drawings. Yeah. Drawings were 10,000. So let's balance this account. 40, 50, 50 plus 30, 80, 80, 107. 40, 10, 50, 53, 83, okay, 83, 85, 400. Minus 10, 75, 400. Okay, this should be given to the executor. Now the main thing, Pami's executor, he was supposed to get a certain amount immediately and rest with a interest in installments. So let's make Pami's executor's account. Like a normal ledger account. Yeah, which is sufficient. Okay, we'll also be needing date column, do remember that. Then a big account is only suggestible. Let's see. So for 31st March 1718, right? Particulars amount. Yes. So 31/9/17, the date Pami died. Okay, we settled the account by Pami's capital. 75,400 was the balance that was supposed to be paid. Out of that, immediately it was paid how much? 15,400. So on the same date, okay, so the installment will be of 60,000. Okay, so on 60,000, let's say when the year ends, that is 31st March. let's say the interest calculation on 60,000, 12%, but only for 6 months, right, this year. Why 6 months? Because it's from September to March, from October to March. So if we solve this, 1 upon 2, 3,600. 3,600. After that, yeah, the EMI is to be paid. EMI will be not this year, obviously the next year. So 31,318 to balance. Carried down. This is 79,000. $63,600 is the balancing figure. 79,000 on the next year, on 1st of April. By balance brought down, the balance will be 63,600. Yeah. Now, we have to pay on 30th 9/18, but that till that day's interest also. So interest will be on 63,000, 60,000 obviously. Yeah. Into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12. So the same 3,600, this we are going to pay. Okay, how much we are paying? We are paying both the interests. We are paying 60,000 divided by 4. Okay, that is 15,000 plus this 3,600 plus current till now 3,600. So 15, 18, 21, 22,200. Okay, so the balance becomes, or not the balance, we have to calculate interest till March. But do remember now, the principal balance remaining is not 60. We have already paid for 15 out of it. So this is 45,000 into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12. 45 into 450 into 6, 290, 90 into 3, 2,700. Balance carried down is what? 45 plus 27, 40, 700. Total is 69,900. Then 1st April 19, by balance brought down 47,700. Again payment see half year is 27, so this time also it is 27. The entire this 27 will be paid along with 15,000 on so what all 15,000 plus 2,700 plus 2,700 is going to be paid. So 15 plus 4, 19, 20,400. So balance, not balance till 31st March interest. But now not 45 on 30,000 only. Okay, so 1,800. To balance carried down, so 30,000 plus 1,800, 31,800, which gives me the total 52,200. One 420. My balance brought down 31,800. Again, interest. The interest will be same 1,800. Both interest and 15,000 will be paid. So 17 plus 16. 18,600 is to be paid. Again, interest. Whew. But now the interest will be on 15,000. So 900. So balance carried down. $15,900. So the total comes to 8, 6, 14, 34, 500. And the last, yeah. Wrote down is 15,900. Then interest, same. $900. So total is paid. So 16,800. So what is paid? 15,000 plus 900 plus 900. So 16 800, 1600, 16800, everything is paid, nothing is remaining. So, yes. So, in this way we are done with our solution. Big one. Let's see. This was Pami's capital account. Again, this was remaining to his executor. And then the main thing, his executor's account. Okay, that's the main thing. I hope you have copied this down. This is the end, this is the last, 16,800 is the total and the account is clear. Thank you for watching.